Oh, got one. Oh, there he goes. Oh, yes. Good morning. It is 4:30 in the morning and I'm going on about 3 hours worth of sleep, but that's okay because I'm at one of my favorite lakes here in the area and I got my canoe and a good buddy, and I have a feeling it's going to be an epic morning of fishing, so let's get out there and see what we can catch. Holy freaking coffee, brother.
Oh, it's gone.
Oh. Let's see how good this one does.
Yards out towards this first bog. I looked down under me and there's this huge carp swimming by, dude.
Oh!
Yes!
Oh!
No!
Yeah, you had it.
Way.
That's cool.
That was sweet.
Topwater blew up right away in the morning.
Little wake up.
Little wake up. There you go, Ryan. Keep them on. That's a nice one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Got him.
Yeah.
Freaking awesome, dude.
Nice. See that stinky?
Oh, you didn't kiss him. What the hell?
Give him a little feel.
We go by bogs and the sun's out. I can get into a little bit deeper water. You ready for it? Oh, got one. Get the net ready.
What? Look at that. Pulling. Oh yeah. He's staying deep too. Might be a pike.
Oh, stuck in the weeds. There, he's out.
Oh yeah, yeah. There we go.
Nice bass.
Oh yeah, dude.
That headbanger. Topwater, first one of the morning for me.
Oh yeah.
Tore him up a little bit with that headbanger, but not a bad first largie. Not too shabby. Give him a little kiss and go. Something jumped near us.
Oh, I see it over there. Off the tip of that island.
Oh!
Oh, you got him? Oh, sucker in.
Dude, this thing, look at it, just spirals him. It's a pike.
It's a pike?
Yeah, a little snake.
No.
Nah. He did not like that. Not a bad little guy. Little snake. Little poopy.
A little backwards. Freaking carp. Oh, look at him. Little wake right up there. Coming towards us.
Pike.
Crouch his rooster tail again.
Got one. Oh.
Yeah, baby. Got the net?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's a bigger pike.
Ooh, is it?
Yep.
Nice. I see him. Ooh. Oh, he gave up.
Yeah, he gave up. Oh, there he goes.
Ooh.
I'm not used to the cast master here. Woo!
Yes, sir.
There we go.
It's a nice one.
He's done with that BS.
Oh, yeah.
And after a successful morning of fishing, the real ones already know that we have to stop at a local diner for some breakfast. This time we stopped at Honey Butter Cafe and they had the complimentary honey donuts. And check out this breakfast, that was absolutely smacking. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.